Hello and welcome at Thomas Geiger Car. Today with the Hyundai Ioniq 7. We know the Ioniq 5 as the first electric vehicle of the new Hyundai sub-brand. We've seen the Prophecy, that's the forthcoming Hyundai Ioniq 6, and now the 7. That's the third model joining the line in 2023-2024. This is the show car, and we have the exclusive chance to take a small peek into the vehicle. And if you want to know what to expect from that huge SUV for the electric age, join me on my first walk around and I'll tell you more about it. On the first glimpse, the three Ioniq models don't have much in common. They have all totally different sizes, totally different shapes, a totally different design. But there's one thing that unites them: the LED signature light, Pixel Light as Hyundai calls it. A light that is recognizable from far away and a light where you can play with, you can communicate with the other vehicles, which is particularly interesting for a car that could drive autonomous. So they're all like different pieces on a chessboard. Different size, different shape, different purposes, but you know they're in one team due to the Pixel Light. And here we're talking about the king on the chessboard, the big full-size SUV, 5.30 meters in length, 3.20 meters of a wheelbase, means we have a big posture and we have a large interior. That's mainly because this car is more a living room on wheels instead of a transportation device. As I said, it's developed for the time where autonomous driving could be possible, so you have lots of room to move inside the car, to lounge inside the car. You don't even have to sit behind the non-existing steering wheel. You can go to the back seat and lie on a console, enjoy your time, and that's what we're going to look for in a minute. Remember how you needed to cramp into your Santa Fe in the third row? Forget about it. This is what I would call a lounge on wheels, a living room on wheels. I have a wonderful lounge area in the back, and it is not only relaxing, it is also very healthy, because Hyundai has taken care of everything that could affect my health. The material concept is very environmentally friendly, with wool, with carpets woven from bamboo, with lots of copper because it has an antiseptical function. Even marble is used in a very smart way because they use the dust that comes from cutting the marble, and they're using some bioplastics to apply it on the consoles. And we have a UV purifier, so once I leave the vehicle, UV light switches on and sterilizes all the vehicle. Nothing to harm myself. We have a special air condition building certain cabins around the passengers, dividing the cabin into certain parcels so nobody is infected by the other one. Everything pretty smart. And we have lots of smart details in the vehicle. We have a huge screen instead of the panoramic roof, displaying whatever I want to. Even in that boring hall that we are, I have a blue sky and a green forest to look at. I can display skyscrapers, I can display stars, I can display palm trees, whatever I want, I can display it on there. We have these wonderful perfume sticks around, we have a fridge underneath that sofa, and the coolest gadget is a sterilizer for my shoes. Once I collect dirt, dust and bacteria on the dirty streets outside, I just open that drawer, put my shoes in, close it again, wait for a few minutes, and once they come out, they're not only sterile and clean, no, even the smell is gone. Even if the Ioniq 7 is designed and developed for the age of autonomous driving, I'm still able to drive the vehicle, and there is something like a driver's seat. I don't have any pedals anymore on the floor, and I don't have a steering wheel, but I have a display in front and the joystick on my seat, which with I can control the vehicle. I can pull forward, backward, left, right, just like you know it from your PlayStation. And again, I have lots of cool gadgets. This is the footrest for the passenger with a big screen inside and another drawer to sanitize your shoes. And I have another drawer over here to sanitize my most important goods, I can sanitize my tablet computer, I can sanitize my smartwatch, and I can sanitize my mask. Even if the pandemic will stay with us for a little while, this vehicle will keep us safe. Since it's only a show car, it does not go much faster than walking speed. But at least the joystick already works, and it's easy to imagine after a bit of practice to go on the road with that joystick steering. Technology-wise, the car will be based on the eGMP platform that we know from Ioniq 5 and from the Kia EV6. That means we have about 500, maybe even 600 horsepower out of the 2 electric motors, and the battery range could already be for 600 kilometers. And until the time that vehicle will come to the market, we might even have 800 or a 4-digit figure, so 1,000 kilometers of range. Thanks for joining me on that first walk around and that short, sneaky drive with the new Hyundai Ioniq 7. For sure, it's a show car and not everything will be realized and go into production. But if you look what Hyundai has done with the first Ioniq show car up to the Ioniq 5, I'm pretty sure lots of the smart details in that vehicle will make it on the road in the near future. And even if it can't drive autonomous, then it will have a steering wheel. But that doesn't affect the material concept and the health concept of this vehicle. I'm looking forward to the future and I can't wait to drive that vehicle out of the road. And once that day comes, you will see it here at Thomas Geiger Car.